Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Asian steak tips. I'm starting out in a large bowl and I have 2 tablespoons of honey. To that I'm going to add a half a cup of soy sauce. Now I like using the reduced sodium soy sauce because soy sauce is so high in sodium. Alright, that's about a half a cup. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm using regular olive oil, not extra virgin. I'm going to go ahead and stir that together. I'm just using a little rubber spatula to scrape the bowl to get that honey loose. Now I have roughly about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of sirloin steak I cut into tips. I'm going to get that down in the sauce. Mix around, just let that marinate in there for about 20 minutes to soak up that flavor. And I'm just going to let this sit out on the stove and warm my steak at the room temperature. Right now I left my tips marinate for about a half hour and I did some dishes up while they were marinating. I have a skillet here getting hot, a pan. I'm going to add some olive oil to it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to fry these tips up. And I drained off the excess marinade, but I'm going to shake it off as I put them in here. And we're just going to fry these till they're nice and golden brown. Because they're so small, they're going to cook quick through. Alright, my steak tips are done. You can see they're nice and golden brown. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and I made some fried noodles to go with this. Let me get in here and give this a try. Beef is tender, really delicious. That soy sauce and that honey, as it fried, caramelized on there and really intensified the flavor. Alright, there you have it. Asian steak tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.